Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and optimize XING profile for a job. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and go to XING.com, and now make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now in order for you to go ahead and optimize your profile to the max, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on your profile icon and go ahead and click on profile. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add your name, your location, your job title and where you've been working, your career level, so what are the things you've already done, your discipline, what are the things you've been doing, your industry that you've been working on, and at least 5 skills. So once you complete filling all of this, simply go ahead and click on edit business card and simply go ahead and edit your current status, edit the list of your business card entries, so basically all the places you've been working with. So you can also go ahead and add your skills, your timeline, so what have you been doing and everything else, your languages, your qualification, and also make sure to have your portfolio right over here. So once you go ahead and add all that, just write something about yourself, your interests, your hobbies, your personal details, and that is about it. When you have as much clarity and information about yourself on this application, a recruiter is also gonna be more confident hiring you. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.